Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a spin wheel for your Shopify store. So visitors can spin the wheel, win a prize, and in turn, subscribe to your mailing list. Okay, so I'm on my Shopify store here. And if you scroll down the bottom, I have a simple subscribe form for my newsletter. And most Shopify templates have something like this, but it's not very enticing to visitors. And in fact, most people who subscribe to your Shopify mailing list will generally subscribe by buying a product from your store. So they buy the product and then they opt into your email. But what we want to do is turn every visitor, or as many visitors as possible, to your store into subscribers. So let's take a look at how the spin wheel can help you do that. So we'll go over into Autopilot. So you need to log into Autopilot. And then we're going to go down to Setup, and I'll move out of the way so you can see that. You click Setup, and we're going to go into Coupon Management. And so in Coupon Management, this is where we'll create the prizes that people can win when they spin the wheel. So you can see I've got a number of coupons in here already, but I do want to show you how to create a new coupon. So let's go ahead and click New Coupon. So the name of the coupon is just an internal name. It's something for you to remember the coupon by. So we can call this 30% off store-wide. And then we have the next field, which is the coupon code prefix. And the coupon code prefix is just the start of the coupon code, because when we have unique code switched on, like we do in this case, we're going to send them a code, and that code could be something like this, 30 off. And then what we do is we add a unique code to the end of that 30 off. So everyone gets a unique code. And what that means is they can't go and share them on coupon sites, and they can't share them with their friends. This coupon is unique to them after they spin the wheel. So below that, we have the type of discount, and we're going to leave percentage checked because we just want to apply a 30% off discount store-wide. But you can do things like fixed amount coupons or free shipping coupons, or a coupon that is buy one, get one free. So you could say buy this product, get this product free. So in value, we'll go ahead and add 30%. We're going to leave it applying to the entire order. And then under minimum requirements, we're going to say none. So if you did want to have a minimum purchase amount, like $100, you could check this box and enter a minimum purchase amount, but we're going to say none in this case. You can also do it by quantity as well. So you could say they need to purchase 3 or more items. Under usage limits, we've got limit number of times this discount can be used in total and limit to 1 use per customer. So we're just going to say limit to 1 use per customer. And with our active dates, we're just going to say it never expires, because we're going to want to use this in our spin wheel for a long time to come. So we click create, and the coupon is successfully created. So you can now see I've got 6 coupons, and the 30% off store-wide coupon is in here as well. So now under marketing, we're going to click into capture, and we're going to click new widget, start from scratch, and then hit next. So under widget types, these are all the different types of capture widgets that we can create. And we want to select here the spin wheel. We'll click create. And on the left-hand side here, this is all the information about when the widget, or spin wheel widget in this case, shows up on the website. The first thing we want to do here is give it a name. So we'll say spin to win. And then we have a bunch of options. So show widget. So we're going to say show widget on any page. So this is any page on our store. And then under when, we've got the visitor has been on the page for 2 seconds. So we'll just leave that as is, but we could change it so it only loads when they go to exit the browser. So when they go to close the browser or close the tab, we could say the visitor displays exit intent. So show it when that occurs. Or the visitor loads a specific page. But what we really want to show here is the visitor has been on a page for 2 seconds. So we're just going to basically load the page up, and after 2 seconds, the spin wheel will show. Then we have the option where. So you can actually choose where to show this spin wheel in relation to geography. So you could specify that you only want it to show when the people are in certain countries or they're within a proximity of a certain city. So you could say within, 30 miles of New York, or you could exclude certain countries as well that you don't want to be able to use or see the spin wheel. Under who, we have everyone selected, but we don't really want existing customers to see the spin wheel. So we're going to go in here and edit that, and we're going to change it to anonymous. And so these are people we just don't know yet. So anonymous visitors to our website. So we'll click save. And then under frequency, we've got once per session and it never expires. Now you could change this to you only want them to see the spin wheel once until it's dismissed, or you always want them to see the spin wheel until they spin. But we're just going to say once per session. So as long as we don't know who they are, the spin wheel is going to show after 2 seconds on our website until they fill it in. So over here, we've got edit for the design part of this. So we'll click into the edit and you can see it separated up into the button, the spin wheel and the outcome. So the button's what we're seeing now. If we click spin wheel, you'll see the entry page of the spin wheel. And then the outcome, we haven't added any outcomes yet, so it's blank right now, but we'll do that in a minute. So for the button, I'm just going to leave the copy as it is, win a prize. This is what will show up on the site. When they hover on it, the spin to win loads. So under spin to win here, you've got the actual text in this dialog. So we're going to say spin to win a prize. And then we'll say under the subtext, enter your email, subscribe to our mailing list and win. So with the form here, we can actually add a whole bunch of different fields. We could ask for their birth date if we want to store that for future. So we could send them an upcoming birthday coupon or just a happy birthday greeting. We can add first name, last name, all sorts of fields that appear in here. So you could, in theory, add the first name in here as well if you wanted it. But personally, I just like to ask for their email address because I believe it leads to, in most cases, a higher conversion rate. So I just want to ask them for their email. And then I'm going to change the button to spin to win. So below that, we've got the outcome, and that is where we add the prizes. So under prizes, you click add coupon, and you'll see those coupons that we created earlier displayed in here. Now, if you have coupons in your existing Shopify store, you'll also see them in here as well and be able to search and find them. So we'll add a few different coupons to our wheel. We've got 50, 20, 10, and 30% off store-wide. We might add free shipping in here as well. So you can see all the prizes have loaded in, and they, by default, have the same win rate. So the same chance for the person to win, 20%, 20%, 20%. So 20% of people that spin the wheel will get this 30% off store-wide coupon. But we can actually edit the win ratio. So you click in here and you can just drag these around. So say we wanted most people to win free shipping. So we'll say like 90% of people we want to win free shipping. We can lock it by clicking the lock. So this will hold the winning chance at 90% of the free shipping. And then we can drag the others around. So you could say the next most, highest win you want is the 10% off everything here, or 7%, sorry. And then each of these are going to automatically go to 1% chance of winning. So now they have a 90% chance of getting the free shipping coupon and a 7% chance of 10% off everything and a 1% chance of these other more extreme coupons. Now, if you didn't want them to have a chance to win at all, you can actually take the 50% off everything in this case down to 0 and then lock the 0 chance. So they now have no chance of getting the 50% off everything coupon. And so it's really enticing, but it's impossible for them to win, just like a real casino. Now, you'll have to look at your local legislation and laws in order to do this because most competitions do require the option to win. So we'll lock it at 1%. And so once you're happy with these win ratios, just click done. It'll save them out and you're good to go. Now, there also is an option to allow contestants to lose. Now, I don't like to do this, but you can if you want. It just creates a bad experience if they lose. We want them to win, we want them to get a coupon, and we want them to make their first purchase from our store. So allowing them to lose to me seems a little bit silly, but we do allow the option if you want to allow them to lose and have some big prizes in there. So we'll fold up the wheel, and we're going to go over to style now and change the style here a little bit. So we can drag these around to change the heading size, body size, things like that. What I do want to fix is the wheel though, because you can see this black on dark blue doesn't look very good. So I'll change the text in here to white. I'll change this to a different color blue, and then I might, just to make the wheel a bit more exciting, change this slice to a pink color as well. You can obviously customize all of the styles in here, even how the coupon displays at the end, but I'm going to leave that for now and you can explore that when you set up your own spin wheel. So that's really it in terms of the content setup. So now we can go through and see what we've done. You'll also notice the spin wheel button actually matches the colors that we've changed as well, which is pretty cool. So there's our spin wheel ready to go. We'll save it. We can just double check our criteria before we switch it on. And then when we're ready, we can just flick the switch here. It'll count down 4, 3, 2, 1. Party, we have liftoff. So we'll say okay. And then the spin wheel should activate soon on our website. So back over to our pilot store here. And you can see now the wheel has come up. So we're on the site. We've got this little dialogue in the bottom right hand corner. You can hover on it. It has spin to win a prize. I'm going to put in a little test email here just to test it out. We'll hit spin to win. Okay, and you can see that because we had a 90% chance of winning free shipping, we have in fact won free shipping. Surprise, surprise. So you won, congratulations, enjoy the savings. And then we can click copy code and shop now. So now when I go and shop, so say I add these glasses to my cart here, and I view the cart, and then I'll go to checkout. So once we get up to this checkout page, we can enter that coupon code that's been put into our clipboard here, and then we'll click apply. And you'll see we have free shipping applied. So it automatically applies the free shipping to the order. So back over in Autopilot, if we go over to our activity tab here, you can actually see as I've submitted this form here, so you can see all the things that have occurred. So I submitted the widget form, spin to win, and then I spun the widget wheel, spin to win. So you can see the activity appearing in here, and you've got reporting in here as well. So you can see the spin rate, the amount of spins, and how many times the widget's been shown. It'll also show things like conversions by region, what prizes were won, and spins by region as well. So you get a nice little report in here as well. So as you start accumulating new subscribers, you can start to email them and put them on your mailing list. And this is going to build your subscribers up really fast. You'll also see associated sales with this spin wheel. So you'll know how much money this spin wheel is making you in terms of orders as well. So that's a quick introduction in how to set up a spin wheel for your Shopify store. If you go in, you can play around and do some really cool stuff in there and entice people to pop in their email address and spin to win. Thank you very much for watching. I had to do it. If you like this video, a big thumbs up on YouTube, give me a like. And if you want to see more videos like this about how to grow your Shopify store, please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.